Hey y'all, I just wanted to pop in here and let you know that there will not be a regular video this week, actually from last week or probably this week. Um, it's been a very difficult week. um, excuse me. I've been in a pretty much constant flare now. I can't remember for how long. I couldn't even tell you what day it is today. And when I made a run to one of the freshwater springs that we have out here where I get all my drinking water, there was a little incident where I did an ice dance. Unintentional, but it likely would have been pretty good had it been videoed. But I kind of messed up my bad leg a little bit. And I'm just in a brain fog. I can't think, and I had tried to shoot a video, and I messed up the filming of it. It would have been junk. So I apologize for that. Hopefully here next couple of weeks I'll have another update video for y'all. Again, my sincere apologies. And I hope y'all are doing well and blessed. And thank you again for watching. Thank you for following along, for subscribing. And yeah, until next time, grace and peace, y'all.